Thinking about breaking up with your Chime Credit Builder card? We've got your back with this quick guide to smoothly canceling your account. First things first, open your Chime app and make sure you've paid off your outstanding balance. This is crucial for a clean slate and hassle-free closure. No balance, no problem. Next, you'll need to contact Chime customer service. The easiest way is usually through the Chime app itself. Look for the support or help section, or you can visit their website and find their customer service number or email address. When you connect with a representative, clearly state that you want to close your Chime Credit Builder account. They may ask for verification information, so be prepared to provide your name, date of birth, and other details to confirm your identity. After you've requested the closure and confirmed your identity, double-check your Chime account in a few days to ensure the Credit Builder account is indeed closed. Also, verify that any remaining funds have been returned to your Chime spending account. Once you've confirmed everything is squared away, you might want to physically destroy the card for added security. Cut it up, shred it, your choice. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can cancel your Chime Credit Builder card with confidence and move on to the next chapter of your financial journey. Remember to handle your finances responsibly. #Chime cancel #credit card.